customers that has been built over the years, woven with the threads of trust and reliability. We welcome you all. Mr. Rajiv Gupta laid the foundation stone of Computax, commencing its journey from Jaipur with a few users, which has now grown to a family of 85,000 users across the country, catered to by a team of more than 350 staff members. With enduring contribution of his younger brother, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, and his father, Mr. Vedra Gupta, the company has flourished to great heights and ranks at number one in India for return filing, especially income tax returns. Day-to-day upgradation and enhancement of softwares, innovative features, and endless customer support service are the mantras of our successful and key to satisfy customer base. With this, I welcome you all once again to this bonanza and request Mr. Rajesh Agarwal to say a few words about Computax and its journey.
Good evening, esteemed guests, valued clients who are virtually connected with us, and the entire Computax family. It's a great pleasure to welcome you all to the Lucky Draw 2025 event. Today, we are not just celebrating an offer, we are celebrating the journey of Computax. Computax started over 35 years with a clear goal to make tax filing simple and efficient for professionals and businesses. Since then, we have been committed to innovations, ensuring that tax compliance became easier and more accessible. From our early DOS-based software to today's advanced solution, we have consistently adapted to technological changes. Our efforts align to Digital India initiative, helping tax professionals and businesses across the country adapt to digital compliance. Over the years, Computax has developed a wide range of user-friendly software to meet the needs of the professionals and businesses. We started in 1998 with Computax, and today we have a bouquet of 15 softwares in our domain. Each of these products have been built with a deep understanding of the challenges of tax professionals face. Our focus is always on accuracy, efficiency, and adequate compliance. We are proud to be one of the most trusted names in tax software in India. Today we serve over 85,000 professional businesses, and our journey is filled with remarkable achievements, some of which are first company in India to launch automated tax filing software, trusted by leading CA firms, corporates, and accounting professionals, providing services in 500 plus cities, towns across the country, helping business transition from manual to digital tax compliance. Our commitment to innovation and excellence has earned us several prestigious awards. We have received appreciation letter for Directorate of Income Tax New Delhi for promoting e-filing of income tax return and for being top software provider in India in terms of number of return filed by any software. Appreciation letter received from Income Tax Settlement Commission Calcutta for providing tax calculation software for them. Approved as authorized GST by the GSTN for filing of GST returns. Highest TSC selling award by certifying authorities. Best software solution provider by ISODA, that is Infotax Software Dealer Association. Gold trophy for tax technology service provided, awarded by Tax India Online, presented by CBDT Chairman. Business Excellency Award by ISODA. These awards are a reflection of trust that you have placed in us, and we are committed to maintain these high standards. As a step forward, in the previous year, we integrated video assistance across various screens of the software to enhance user friendliness, which received highly positive feedback from our users. Building on this success, we have now made the software compatible with Google Chrome, ensuring seamless performance across the platform. We remain focused on innovation and digital transformation. With the advancement in AI, cloud computing, and automation, Computax is set to introduce even more powerful tools that will make tax compliance faster, simpler, and more efficient. Today, we are excited to present Lucky Updation Offer 2025, a special initiative to thank our valuable customers. This offer comes with exclusive benefits and reward as a token of our appreciation for their continuous support. On behalf of Computax family, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Your trust and support have been key to our success. Let's continue this journey together and build a future where tax compliance is more efficient and effortless. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Neeraj Rathore to share his experience with our software.
मैं राजीव जी और राकेश जी की टीम को बधाई देना चाहूँगा for creating such a world-class digital platform for filing of the returns. It has been really very good for our system and the offices here that who can file e-returns at our offices. एक तरह से उन्होंने ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करा है कि सब प्रोफेशनल्स की लाइफ हैज बिकम इजियर. हम लोग ऑफिस में भी टैक्स के लिए कोई भी मैटर होता है एक्ट से पहले कंप्यूटेक्स में जाकर के उसको चेक कर लेते हैं. तो दैट इज मच इजियर फॉर अस. इट इज लाइक अ गूगल इन इनकम टैक्स फॉर अस. सो आई congratulate Rajiv ji and his team and to keep up the good work, and I see that now they have reached the highest number of e-returns in the country. So congratulations and all the best.
Thank you, sir, for those lovely words. Now I would like to request Mr. Anu Goyal to share his experience with our software.
Hello, thank you, Peter. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Rajiv Gupta ji and Rajesh Gupta ji and his team for presenting us a very wonderful world-class platform digital platform for filing of our IT returns. My office is using this software for last more than 20 years, I think. And what have I heard that initially this program was prepared by Rajiv ji and his team for their captive use, and gradually they started selling it to the customers also. Therefore, this is a wonderful journey which they have taken, and they have done very good efforts for developing this world-class program. And this has a good interface with the income tax department. And I can say that the updates are very timely. As and when there is some amendment in law, and as and when some circular or other notification is issued by the department, immediately steps are taken by the team of Rajiv Gupta ji and his team to update the program for the convenience of the users. And we are using their number of programs which gives us an opportunity to have all our data at one place. That is also our advantage, and I again congratulate the team and wish them all the success in their journey. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your experience is valuable to us. And now it's time.
I would like to add one more to be on lighter side. Once I was discussing with my staff that whether some particular deduction is available under the law. तो उसने बोला साहब क्या है तो इसमें डाल के देख लेते हैं. मैंने कहा ऐसा नहीं होता, इसमें डाल के देख लेते हैं. We have to read the law, study the law first. ठीक है यार, it has rather become a benchmark for testing whether some deduction is available in the law or not. So this is for their credit, but maybe not correct from our point of view, from the CS point of view. But this goes to your credit that people have so much of faith and confidence in your program that तो उसको टेस्ट करने के लिए बोलते हैं डाल के देख लेते हैं. This is good.
Thank you, sir, for placing such level of trust in our software. Your experience is really valuable to us. And now it's time for the much awaited lucky draw. Let us start with the lucky draw. So I will announce the lucky draw prizes. They are as follows. The first prize would be a 5-gram gold coin. Second prize would be a 4-gram gold coin. We have 5 prizes like this. Third prize would be 3-gram gold coin. Fourth is a 2-gram gold coin. And the fifth prize would be a 1-gram gold coin. Then there would be consolation prizes, 100 consolation prizes of 1 silver coin of 10 gram each. So all eligible users, the coupons of all eligible users have been placed in this box right here in front of you, this red box, and thoroughly shuffled for a fair and transparent draw. So let us all proceed with excitement and anticipation. the box has been opened and the chips are being shuffled. Let us have a round of applause to start this game. So we'll start with the fifth prize, that is a 1 gram gold coin. For drawing the fifth prize, I would like to invite Mr. Dinesh Vijay.
आपका निकलेगा तो नहीं निकलेगा
इसके 5 वाला निकलेगा, 1 में नहीं निकलेगा।
So the fifth prize for today goes to user ID U46311, Manish Kumar Goyalji from Rampur, UP. Rampur, UP. So now for the fourth prize, that is a 2 gram gold coin, I would like to invite Mr. Anil Goyal. So the fourth prize goes to Garg and Associates from Ghaziabad, UP. The user ID is U49797. For the next draw, that is the third prize, I call upon Mr. Neeraj Rathod. The third prize goes to Ashish Srivastav, Advocate, Gorakhpur, UP. The user ID is U46039.
योगी जी की तरफ जा रहे हैं सब।
Shuffle the box.
It's by chance इंडिया कितनी बार 14 बार बहुत हारी है क्रिकेट में। इमेजिन नहीं करता ऐसा हो सकता है। रोहित शर्मा कंटिन्यूअसली।
For the second prize, I would like to invite Mr. Ashok Gupta.
आप राजस्थान का निकाल।
So the second prize goes to Anand and Associates from Jaipur, Rajasthan. The user ID is U37151. To draw the first prize, I would like to invite C. Prakash Sharma, sir. So first prize, the Bonanza prize of the 5 gram gold coin for today goes to Naveen Kumar Garg and Associates from Raigad, Maharashtra. The user ID is U107964.
गोल्ड प्राइस बहुत अच्छी जा रही है। Means a lot.
Now we proceed towards the consolation prizes. They are 100 draws, 1 silver coin of 10 gram each. So there will be 20 draws by one person. For the first draw, I would like to call upon Mr. Sanjay ji.
20 बार निकालो।
20 तो बताओ।
चिपकाने की वजह से
डिस्प्ले करें।
ठीक है।
जयपुर का हो तो बोल देना। बाकी
अशोक जी के लिए हम तो मोदी
For the next 20 draws, I would like to call upon Mr. Ashok Jain. Mr. Ashok Jain.
दोनों
डिसेबल करते हैं ना, डिसेबल करते रहो तो महाराज का निकल गया।
वो भी वहाँ था ना, तो रोज 1 घंटे में निकालना पड़ता था सैटरडे से। मेरा नहीं निकाला, आपने बताया नहीं।
For the next 20 draws, I would like to invite Mr. Narendra Mistry.
अब पूरा
For the next 20 draws, I would like to invite Mr. Gaurav. last 20 consolation prizes of today, I would like to call upon Mr. Kailash.
हो गया सबको ये कैसे? बोले कर दोगे सबको।
फर्स्ट 5 प्राइवेट है उसको भेजते हैं कोई
वो तो सब जाके देखे आए।
हाँ जाके
ये लाइट वाला भी होगा। जैसे नहीं कर दिया।
सब जगह एग्जीक्यूटिव्स हैं तो वो
वहाँ से सिटीज में चल प्राइवेट सिटी
वैसे कोई गांव शहर तो चाहो नहीं जानी
अभी
सभी जगह पे
ऑल ओवर इंडिया।
ऑल ओवर
आपका तो कॉम्पिटिटर कौन है? नियरेस्ट कौन है जैसे आपके? नेक्स्ट
नियरेस्ट साउथ का है
साउथ का है। उसका प्रोग्राम होगी वो
हम लोग करीब 1.5 करोड़ रिटर्न फाइल करते हैं
हैं?
1.5 करोड़ रिटर्न फाइल
फाइनल पर करोड़ तो उसकी भी काउंटिंग रहती है। अभी काफी सॉफ्टवेयर से लिखे
वो
गए।
डिपार्टमेंट में मिल जाती है डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑथोरिटी के
हैं?
डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑथोरिटी के सॉफ्टवेयर में टैग जाता है जो फाइल जाती है उसको काउंट करते हैं
हाँ रहता है और इसमें लिखा हुआ आता है कंप्यूटर एक्सेस
टोटल रिटर्न का 32% जो प्राइवेट प्रोवाइडर
All the consolation prizes will be displayed on the website of the company, www.computexonline.com, and here also shortly. So the first set of consolation prizes is being displayed.
थोड़ा जूम करके ले
तो आगे ले लो।
मैंने वक्त हाँ दोनों दिखा दीजिए। आ गया मैं वहीं से दोनों दिखा दो।
वेबसाइट पे
ये राजेश आगे नीचे रखना राइट को राइट
क्या चीज?
राइट वाला हाथ नीचे रख
फिंगर
वेट सर वेट हाँ वेट रखना है सर।
ऊपर करो
वेट सर वेट
फुला
Our users are connected live also. The show is live.
जितने लोग कनेक्टेड हैं पता लगा हाउ मेनी नंबर्स काउंटिंग ऊपर
The fourth set of consolation prizes is being displayed. So I can see prizes from Delhi, Karnataka, Assam, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Pan India.
बोल देंगे
ऑल ओवर इंडिया कवर्ड
The last set of consolation prizes from Barmer, Tamil Nadu.
These are the prizes. Trophies.
These are the first 5 prizes displayed on the table. The gold coins. So that is the end of lucky draw for today. Congratulations. I congratulate all the winners for today. Now I request Mr. Rajiv Gupta to thank our honorable guests.
Good evening, everyone. As we come to the close of this event, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude. Computex extends heartiest congratulations to all the lucky winners. First and foremost, a big thank you to all our esteemed guests, valued clients, and dedicated team members who made this evening special. Your presence and support means everything to us. A special thanks to our loyal customers who have trusted Computex for their compliance needs. Your belief in our solution inspires us to keep innovating and delivering the best. I would like to extend my appreciation to our hard-working team at Computex. Their dedication, commitment, and passion are the driving forces behind our success. Finally, we look forward to continuing this journey together. With your trust and support, we will keep improving, keep innovating, and keep making tax compliances simpler and more efficient. Thank you once again.